Hi, my name is Oliver. I'm a 3D technical artist working in the game industry for like 25 years. And I was pretty impressed by the Ultima 7 Revisited project. Pretty cool work done there. So I was thinking maybe I can help. And in my case, that's scripting. I thought that the way the workflow on how to get meshes into the game is a little complex for people who are probably not as technically interested as I am, and that's sadly the case for a lot of artists. So I thought maybe let's make that a little more easy, and I wrote a script that should do right that. So let's begin. For my demonstration, I created a version of this lamppost in 3D. At the moment, it's a billboard. As we can see, the ID is 889. We have to remember that, of course. And let's get into Blender. So here's Blender, and we have our little lamppost. And now we have to install the plugin, of course, the add-on. It's installed like any other add-on in Blender. You simply just open and install it from a zip file. And then we have to set the game path so that the plugin knows where to export everything. That's pretty much where the executable is, so we say accept. And at that point, we have this little window that tells us that we don't have an asset. So all we have to do is create a shape. And we are greeted with a lot of options. In our case, the most important is, of course, the export path. When we select that, it already knows where to put the OBJ file. And it already names it accordingly to the object name. So we only need to select the export file path. We have an export format. At the moment, it's only OBJ is supported. GLTF will maybe be supported in the future, but at the moment it's only OBJ. Our number was 889. Draw type, yeah, I don't think we're ever gonna have something here. We're gonna select anything different here because that's pretty much well done in the game already, but I still included it just because I knew how it works. We have the tweak position, the tweak dimension. That's pretty much accordingly to the game. For debugging reasons, we can activate or deactivate whether it's written into the model names.txt file or the shapetable.dat. But for now, we want both to be written, so we just say export shape, and it seems to have successfully exported it. We have some tools here to navigate quickly, like open the file directly into any installed 3D viewer. That is just a shell application, which is the Windows application, standard application that is connected with OBJ files. In my case, it's I think the default 3D viewer from Windows. And we can also get the Explorer. But for the time being, I think everything works out, so we're gonna start the game executable. Let's see if it works. It doesn't seem to crash, which is always a good sign. And here we go. And our lamppost is in the game, and we didn't even leave Blender. Yeah, everything is here in my repository. The link should be underneath this video. Yeah, and I hope that helps you people make cooler and faster your 3D objects. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.